JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill is a combination belt-driven drill press with a milling machine table that allows you to perform a variety of light machining functions for your metalworking projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating the headstock controls and features of the JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill. Located on the right-hand side of the headstock is the Quill downfeed handle control. Rotate towards the front of the table, which is counterclockwise, to bring the spindle down. Rotate the opposite to retract. At the front of the headstock is the downfeed fine adjustment. This is activated by turning the lock knob on the outside of the downfeed handle control. Rotate clockwise for down and counterclockwise for up. The fine adjustment hand wheel also has the adjustable micrometer collar. Every revolution of the hand wheel is 1/100,000th of an inch of quill travel. The fine adjustment hand wheel has a retractable stowaway handle for safety purposes. The front of the machine has a coarse adjustment stop knob, which stops travel and can be adjusted two ways. It can be threaded for fine adjustment, or you can depress the button for gross adjustments. Depress the button on the quick adjustment depth stop knob to move quickly up and down. The machine is equipped with a swing-away spindle guard for safety purposes. The left-hand side of the headstock is the Quill Locking handle, which is used to prevent quill travel when performing milling operations. The power-on switch allows for forward and reverse spindle operation. On the left-hand side is the adjustable halogen work lamp, which has its own 110-volt supply. This allows you to better illuminate your workpiece. The head elevating crank handle rotates counterclockwise to go down, clockwise to go up. Once you get the headstock in the correct position, lock it down by the two-column locking hex nuts on the back of the headstock. Learn more about the JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.